So this is going to be reading for twin flames. So what all you can expect for the next let's take 2 weeks. So right from now into the next 2 weeks, what can twin flames possibly expect? So first, I'm going to tell you about your divine masculine. That's the runner, someone who you are trying to reach out, but you know this person is not really making it easy for you. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So what's your divine masculine up to? One card. What's your divine masculine up to? I'll refer to him as he. So what is he up to, regardless of the gender? God, what's he up to? Divine masculine. We have a card here which tells me six of water. So this person is heavily thinking about you. Okay, with messenger of earth, they've been planning to make a move towards you, but since we have the messenger of earth, that is the you know uh, it is more about pentacles. So I believe this person, even if they had planned a long time ago, they will come in very slowly. Okay, so sometimes messengers are pretty slow, and if it's a pentacle, then it's very slow. Okay, only the messenger of air is the fastest amongst the cards. So I believe the person you are thinking of, or your divine masculine, they are thinking of you in a very good way. They're going through all the past memories and all the time they have spent with you. Okay, so I do feel that knight of pentacles is coming in slowly but at their own speed. Okay, with queen of earth, they do care about you. If you are concerned whether this person cares about you or not, they do. Okay, so give me one more card for what's the divine masculine up to. So what is he up to? One card for that. So they do miss you with the six of water. That's six of cups. Okay, you guys could be having dreams of this person. Some of you might be missing them crazy. With high priestess in the reverse, so what are they up to? I believe this person wants to return back to you. High priestess upright is a card where someone is wanting to distance and ghost you, but when it's in the reverse, this person is wanting to reach out. So what they are up to, I feel you will hear from this person very soon. But when I mean very soon, it could also take 1 week, because you know that knight of pentacles is the slowest moving card. At the pace at which they are coming, they could take some time. Okay, but they are wanting to come, that much I could tell you. Okay, so in terms of how are they thinking of you now, one card of how are they thinking of you now? How is the divine masculine possibly thinking of the divine feminine? How is he thinking of she? Okay, so let's take one card for that. I hope you guys are doing well. I did not do a reading for the month of June. So, yeah. With five of water, they miss you. They miss you terribly. They want to spend time with you. With six of air, this person is at a long distance. Not all of you are live very close by. I feel for some of you, you guys do live at a distance, like states apart, or some of you even countries apart. Okay, so but whatever it is, I do feel like there is a distance between the two of you, not just emotionally but also physically. Okay, so yes, they do think of you very much. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you. In terms of intentions, we have queen of earth. So they do want to reach out, they do want to nurture this situation, they do want to nurture you, take care of you, or extend some energy towards you. So yes. Okay, so in terms of their action towards you now, let's take one card for their action. So what action are they possibly wanting to take towards you? With king of water, this person is wanting to reach out to you. I will not say that they are wanting to express their feelings, because king of cups is not about expressing. They'd rather be more sweet towards you, more gentle, more kind, rather than expressing what they truly feel for you. So I do feel with the judgment call, they are finally wanting to make a decision to reach out to you and to know what you are up to check out on you, to see whether you are fine, you are not. They are very much missing you at the very current moment, and they have all this beautiful memories of you, of the time spent with you, and they do want to do it all over again. Okay, so one card for what you could expect from this person now. What could you possibly expect from this person now? One card for that, please, spirit. Yeah, with the page of fire, this person will definitely communicate with you. If not reach out physically, then I do feel this person will definitely reach out to you. Okay, with transformation, that's the death card. I do see this person wanting to change things now, wanting to fix things now. Okay, with the hierophant, some of you, this person might be in a relationship or might be already committed somewhere else. Okay, it doesn't have to be for all, but for some of you it is. Okay, Spirit, give me one more card for what could the divine feminine possibly expect from the divine masculine now. One card for that, please. With four of water right now, I do feel even if they return, you are not going to be exactly sure whether you should take them back or not. Same from their side, they also feel like you are not up for them anymore. They feel like you're moving on. They feel like you're wanting to mind your own business, wanting to do your own thing. Okay, they are not exactly sure if you would possibly take them back. Okay, accept them back in any which way, maybe as friends, maybe as whatever partners, whatever way, they feel like they have missed an opportunity with you. Okay, with four of cups, there is this phase of little bits of I would say frustration and also depression that's creeping them now. Okay, they are in a very sad space now. They want to reach out to you, they want to reconnect with you, but they are not exactly sure whether you will take them back. Okay, in whatever means possible, maybe through communication, as friends, as whatever. Okay, so one card for what's going to happen next, spirit. What's going to happen next? What could we possibly expect next? With the world card, I definitely see a change in this connection. Okay, bottom card we have is messenger of fire, that is messenger of wands, which tells me that a knight of wands is a card where someone is definitely interested in reaching back to you. Okay, with the world card, however, you feel like this cycle is already over, or nothing possibly could come out of it, but I do feel like there is going to be a meeting of the two souls. Okay, world card usually means ending, so some cycle in your life is ending, which had to end in order to get you reconnected. So whatever needs to end to in order to get you back as whatever friends, as colleagues, whatever, I do feel like that is going to happen. So whatever cycle needs to end will end. Okay, so I do feel on some which level that you guys will reconnect. Okay, there is going to be transformation which is going to lead to this reconnecting. Okay, so spirit, give you one card for right now. It's seven of fire. I believe you have your walls up, guards up. You are not really communicating much with this person. Some of you might also have blocked them, or trying to stay away from them, or trying to stay or move on from them with eight of wands. Okay, give me one more card for your feelings towards them now. Divine feminine's feelings towards the divine masculine. One card for that. With five of fire, you're very conflicted. You're mad at this person for whatever they have done to you. You're not exactly in a happy space to welcome them back in your life. I believe you're pissed off. Okay, some of you could also be entertaining another soulmate in your life, so you do not exactly have the time to think of this person. Okay, with strength card, majorly I see you resisting the temptation of communicating with them. Okay, so that's something I see for now. One card for your intentions towards this person. With the moon card, you are not exactly sure what you need to do. You have your own fears, your own insecurities, your own past that's kind of stopping you from communicating or being expressive towards this person. Okay, I feel very strongly that you are holding back in fear of repeating the old past mess. It's not like you do not have feelings for this person. It's not like you are completely over this person. It's just that you are not sure why this person would come back or what's their motive. So until unless you know that, I do not see you openly expressing, openly communicating with this person. Okay, with Nine of Earth, I believe overall you're just wanting to stay emotionally independent from them. You are not really wanting to do much with this connection now. Yes, you still have feelings, but that does not mean you put yourself back into the same drama that you tried your level best to move on from. Okay, so one card for their energy towards you, one card for the divine masculine's energy towards the divine feminine. We have the hermit card. So this person in some which level is still hiding things from you, still ghosting you, still trying to stay away from you. There's another card that fell off. I have to pick that up. This is the Nine of Earth in the reverse. So even if they were trying to ghost, like possibly ghost you or stay away from you, with Nine of Earth in the reverse, I do sense a return, a very strong return. In as of now, they are ghosting you. As of now, there could be no communication happening. However, I do see this person trying to reach out. Okay, there's another card of, yeah, with Six of Earth on some which level I do feel like this person will reconnect for a give and take. They are coming back to see what you are up to, whether you are open for this again, whether you want to do anything with them again. They feel like they do not have much to offer. Okay, they also know on some which level that they mess this shit up. Okay, so where is this connection possibly moving forward? Spirit, one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. With Wheel of Fortune, I do feel like this connection will move forward. This cycle will move forward. This wheel will move forward. However, with the Hermit card, you both are clueless as to, you guys do not know what's happening in each other's life. They also do not know what's happening in your life. They are just unaware of all the things that are going on in your life. Okay, with the Hermit card, I sense if they come back, they'll try to come back as a friend and not as a lover. I'll be very honest here. Okay, I do see some sort of reconnecting here. One more card for what action are they going to take towards you in the coming days, in coming weeks. With Nine of Water, I do see them trying to reconnect. Okay, trying to reconnect with you. Definitely big yes. With Ace of Air, you guys will get communication. This person cannot stay away from you. You are their happiness. Okay, I know it sounds weird for whatever history that has been gone between the part, like two of you, but still, this is something I see very strongly. Okay, so Spirit, give me one card for what are they wanting from you now. One card for what are they wanting from you now. With Eight of Fire, they want to communicate with you. They want communication. With Eight of Cups, in the past, they were trying to move on from you, but as of now, even if there's Hermit as their overall energy for now, with Eight of Fire, they want to communicate. They want to move things forward with you. They want to fix things with you. I'm not going to say that they're trying to get into a relationship. I mean, if they come back, they will come back as a friend. Okay. So let's take messages from your person. Messages from your person. Give me two cards, Spirit. So we have, I know you don't trust me, however, I still love you and want you. Okay. In the past, they might have said something like, I don't trust you. Okay. But yeah, I acted like it wasn't a big deal when it was breaking my heart. Okay, we'll take a bonus card here. So you guys both don't trust each other. That's the truth. Okay, you don't trust them, they don't trust you, but the love on some which level is still there, and you can't hide it. Okay, if there wasn't anything, then you wouldn't have been watching a twin flame reading. Okay, I don't think you like me now. Okay, so they do have a fear of reconnecting because they fear rejection. That's what it means. So let's take love messages from your person, secrets that you're supposed to know. I've just made these cards yesterday, so let's see. So let's see what your person, your twin flame, is wanting to tell you. Okay, I have a lot of respect for you. I am grateful for all your help and support. Okay, so they do want to tell you that they respect you a lot, and they are very grateful for all your love and support. Let's take one more message. I'm hurting without you. Okay, so right now, just like I told you at the very start with Five of Cups, that they are hurting, they are missing you. Okay, terribly. Okay, give me one more card, one last card. Secret message from Twin Flames. Never thought this connection would mean so much. So they could have taken this connection for granted in the past. They could have walked away, chosen someone else, or moved in a different direction. Never thought that it would mean so much to them. Okay, so right now they do miss you, they do respect you, they know what your worth is now. Okay, I still feel we'll end up together. That's their last message. So yes, this was a reading for Twin Flames. So if you could connect, darling, please do consider hitting the like button because it greatly helps my channel. Okay, so subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and all those who are wanting a personal reading from me, go to my website and choose whatever reading that you want, and you could book one, and we could connect and see where things go. Thank you so much, guys. By the way, July is going to be a good month. Okay, so yeah, but I believe this connection that you are part of is not going to click or get back in few days. Okay, it might take a week to reconnect. This person is still very fearful of rejection. So yes, this was your reading. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers.